Midea, a renowned name in the field of home appliances, has recently unveiled its latest innovation for the Chinese market, an advanced automatic dust collection and sweeping robot. This cutting-edge device, aptly named the Midea Sweeping Robot, boasts an array of sophisticated features that promise to revolutionize home cleaning routines. One of the standout features of the Midea Sweeping Robot is its automatic dust collection capability, setting it apart from conventional robotic cleaners. This feature ensures that not only does the robot sweep away visible debris, but it also actively collects and stores dust and dirt in a marked compartment. This innovative approach to cleaning helps maintain a cleaner and healthier living environment. Moreover, the Midea Sweeping Robot employs a state-of-the-art dual-view structured obstacle avoidance system. This system relies on artificial intelligence to accurately detect and steer clear of up to 55 common obstacles in real time. This intelligent obstacle avoidance technology ensures that the robot moves seamlessly around furniture, obstacles, and other potential hindrances, ensuring efficient and safe cleaning. The robot's cleaning prowess is further amplified by its custom-made chenille double-disc ultra-thick mop cloth. This specialized mop cloth is developed to have an increased dust-holding capacity, ensuring that it can efficiently capture and retain dirt during mopping sessions. The cloth also contracts to effectively absorb dirt and grime, delivering a thorough and effective cleaning performance. The Midea Sweeping and Mopping Robot is not only dedicated to dry sweeping and mopping tasks. It goes beyond by offering an impressive 200 times of pressurized strong rubbing per minute, coupled with a robust 5 kilopascal suction force. This combination of powerful cleaning mechanisms ensures that even stubborn dirt and grime are effectively removed, leaving floors spotless. To cater to different cleaning needs, the Midea Sweeping Robot offers 4 cleaning modes, providing versatility and adaptability for various spaces and situations. Additionally, for those who seek a deep and hygienic clean, the robot supports a hot air drying mop feature at temperatures of up to 55 degrees centigrade. This feature is accompanied by 2 drying pipes that contribute to the efficient drying process. The Midea Sweeping Robot's ingenuity extends to its overall appearance, incorporating 4 three-dimensional air paths that contribute to its overall efficiency during operation. The device also features a full-chain circulation hot air mop, which operates in synchronization with the cleaning tank and base station. This synchronization enhances the drying process, ensuring that the mop surface is thoroughly dried, promoting a cleaner and more sanitary environment. Powered by a robust 5200 mAh battery, the Midea Sweeping Robot guarantees up to 2 hours of continuous usage on a single charge. For added convenience, an automatic water loading model is available, making maintenance and operation even more user-friendly. The highly anticipated Midea Sweeping Robot has officially made its debut in the Chinese market, capturing the attention of tech-savvy consumers and home cleaning enthusiasts alike. This remarkable cleaning companion is now available for purchase through various retail platforms in China, including the popular e-commerce giant JD.com. With its array of advanced features and cutting-edge technology, the Midea Sweeping Robot is priced at 3,299 yuan, which translates to approximately $457. This competitive pricing positions the robot as an attractive and accessible solution for individuals seeking to streamline their cleaning routines and embrace the convenience of automated home maintenance. However, as of now, Midea has not divulged any specific details regarding the global availability of the sweeping robot. While Chinese consumers can readily experience the benefits of this innovative cleaning device, those residing in other parts of the world are eagerly awaiting news of its potential expansion to international markets. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.